everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make these planters using this plastic container, and for that you need the following materials. The first step is we have to remove this label using this cutter. The next step is we will make a marking on the bottle which will help us while making the design. We will paint this part using Fevikwik acrylic color. After applying 2 coats of paint, let it dry completely, and on this upper part we are going to stick this jute lace. Now we will make Varli art with this Fevikwik 3D liner directly on the bottle. After making the designs, to fill the space in between, we can make a simple dotted lines. Since this part is empty, to make it look complete, we'll make some design over here also. And we'll put some dots on this rim. As we are going to use this as a planter, after finished painting, you have to apply 2 coats of varnish to make it waterproof. Now this is ready to be used as a planter. You can directly put soil and grow a plant inside, but I prefer placing another pot inside so that while watering the plant, the jute lace won't get spoiled and it will be easy to change the plant also. If the pot is small, you can place anything to raise the height. Here I am using the old cap, and now you can place this pot inside. Now talking about the plant, the name of this plant is silver squill and also a common name leopard lily, and this grows from a bulb and you can easily propagate by placing this much portion inside the soil, and then it will multiply. I propagated this plant from this mother plant the same way, and I want to convey one thing. There is nothing like indoor plant and outdoor plant. It's only the plants require either less light or more light. You can place this plant inside for a week, and after that you have to place it outside. As the leaves are thick, it requires very less water. If you water it once a week, it's enough, and you should not place it in direct sunlight. If you find difficult in maintaining this plant, you can always go for this money plant, which requires less maintenance and it looks beautiful equally. Now the planters are ready. Also want to say, don't throw this lid of the container, as I am going to show you how to use this in my next video. So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like it, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.